Morning already? Mikey, it's time to wake up.
Hi.
Remember, Mikey, today's the day that Mama is going out and leaving
Бол
us alone.
Minecraft нэгсэж болохгүй. Mobile нэгсэж бас тоглохгүй.
Насран кокш. Коко.
Манайх энэгээр хашгираад.
Өчнгөл насран
Манайхын чи хашгираад.
коко. Би коконод
Би Minecraft Mobile хийдэрс нэг сайн биш. Манай зүү энэ ч ууралж байна. Лайк болон subscribe дараарай. Лайк болон subscribe дарсан хүмүүстээ баярлалаа.
One game can't hurt.
чамд subscribe дах уу? Йоо. Би нэг мопост.
Hang on, Mikey. Look outside, Mikey. Look! A creepy person. Who is that stranger by the street?
Би Lucky Block-тэй мод суулгасан байгаа.
I'm scared. Let's check the security cameras.
Яа,
He's near the kitchen.
яг ийм л азгүй.
Би рант зотонс.
За,
Чиг дах уу?
дараа наваа эпик лоо postэр зоёсгоо.
Окей.
Hmm? Where did he go?
Шин батраа.
Mikey, he's gone somewhere else. Wait, he's at the door. He's trying to come in. We need to get down there and ready our arrows. Come on, quick.
Тэтгэсэн.
We'll wait in position. The prowler is heading to the door.
Надаа өнөөс нэтер юу байгаа л доо.
Ингээд шин батраа.
Тийшээ би зүгээр баахалаа гэвлэг би тийшээ очноо. Яраа.
Би тавра.
Oh fuck. Wow.
Яа би аа fuck you.
That's what he gets for trying to break in. It would be nice if he gave up.
Ноо санаагаа хайчлаа.
Huh?
Оо. Нэтер сур. Би бол англи хэлтэй нэг сайн биш.
Би
Англи хэлтэй
надад тэгсэн.
бичтэй жоохон муу. Харин уушхтаа болох гайгүй. Яа, тийм ээ. Би бол хацгүй. Энд дээрс амьгүй болгож болохгүй байсан. Яа, хайрын блок. Яа,
We did it. For now.
оо нэтер. Оо, одоо би даймондын юугаар нэтер болгож болно шүү дээ. Надад
We can't let our guard down yet, though.
за өмдөө нэтер болгочихъя да.
No sign of him yet. So far, so good. Huh? Hang on. This is bad.
Оо, яагаад тийм аа?
Forgot to secure the back entrance. Now he's inside the house. What now? It's okay. We still set all those traps.
Нэтер тийшгээ нэтер. Оо, юу болгоод байдаг
Coin trap.
байгаа.
Look at him. The coins. He's distracted by the coins. It worked.
Оо, энүүгээр ч нэрээ тэгдэггүй лүү.
Oh.
Юугаар тэгдэг вүлээ? Мэддэг хүн байвал комент хэсэгт бичээрэй.
He's trying to steal the coins. Now's our chance.
Тэн дээр бүр бичихгүй за.
Чамаа тав. Зэш юм.
Харин тэнийг Яасан тэнийг ингэж ба нэг хүн яагаад иддэг юм чи?
He looks angry.
Үнэн л иддэг гэсэн хаа.
Тэг чамд бүр ямар ч хүнээс байхгүйсэн шүү. Чамаас тэгсэн.
You're right. We're okay though. We left tracks on the stairs.
They were.
Whoa! We did it! Wait.
He's super angry.
But he set them off.
He's coming out.
Uh-oh. He made it up the stairs, even with all the traps.
Oh,
He's headed to our room.
we still have the turret, right? I'm scared.
I hope it works on him. No!
It's him.
Ah! Ah!
Fuck you.
We caught the intruder, JJ.
We really did it.
Fuck you,
I'm so
Blizzard.
relieved. But
Fuck you.
the house is in ruins thanks to the turret.
Oh, sheesh.
Mama's gonna be so mad.
Oh, no.
Huh? A prisoner broke out of a nearby jail? And he's considered to be extremely dangerous? Whoa. What if that escaped convict is hiding out here in the neighborhood? Whoa. That's scary to think about. Hang on.
Хай, diamond bow гинүү diamond bow.
JJ. Aw.
Энэ сумаараа харуулж үзтээ билүү? Надад нэг сум байгаа ч тээ. Би нэг өмнө бэлтгэл хийгээг байхдаа бас тоглосон.
I haven't touched, and I have no idea where they're in.
Тэгээ сум байгаа минь.
That is weird. Take me to your house. I'll come take a look.
Энийг чинь diamond-аар буучтээ байх та.
Looks normal so far. Can I go in?
Of course.
So, what exactly is disappearing? Can you give me
Энийг юугаар буучтээ бол?
This morning, I went to take some apples out of the fridge, but they were gone. I had nothing to eat for breakfast.
Huh. How did that happen? It's strange. Because every
За энэ бөөг ястай мэдхгүй байна. Энэ бөөг мэддэг хүн байвал комент хийчихээрэй. Та бүр комментгүй байж.
Чамаас дээр шүү за.
Mikey, we're almost there. Look, right over there.
What is that, JJ? Where did this even come from?
I have no idea. It's some kind of weird USB flash drive. Then today we'll find out what it is. Our faces are on it. I can't believe it.
Let's plug them into the computer and see what's inside right now.
Yeah, we have to find out what they're hiding. There's something super secret in there. I'm sure of it.
And we're going to uncover that secret right now. I never expected this.
Here's our computer. Come on, Mikey. It's time to plug them in and see what's really on them.
I can't wait to see what files are on them.
Me too. First I'll load my flash drive, then yours. There could be anything on them. So we're about to find out right now.
Open that file.
Mikey, help me. It's pulling me inside.
Ah! Me too. Now we're inside the computer.
No. Mikey, this is really bad. We're actually inside our computer. How could this even happen?
It looks like those USB drives were a trap. We can see our computer so close now. I can't believe it.
What?
Perfect! You've fallen right into my trap, JJ and Mikey. You found the USB drives I made just for you.
I can't believe it, Mikey. The villager did this. How could he dare?
Now the fun begins. While you're inside the computer, I can do anything I want with you.
This is terrible. We have to get out before the villager does something crazy. I don't want anything bad to happen to us here.
JJ, what do we do? Can the villager
Oh.
really do something to us?
Need-
Look at the screen.
Neither
Looks like
No,
zombies
no.
are about to appear. I need to make a sword fast. The villager
Uh,
really
here's
needs
it.
what he wants. Good thing there's some iron in the trash here.
Come on, JJ. The computer's almost done loading and they're about to show up. We have to defeat them.
I'm
trying, Mikey. The sword's almost ready. Don't worry, I'll handle them. Just stay behind me and don't let them get to you.
Let's do this. The zombies won't be able to defeat us.
Yeah, Mikey. We'll smash them all and show the villager he messed with the wrong team.
JJ, I hear something.
Here they come. All right, zombies, let's go. You'll never beat us. Don't worry, Mikey. I won't let them hurt us.
I can't believe the villager actually summoned zombies inside the computer. It feels like we've really become part of it now.
Stage 1 is almost done. I just hope stage 2 won't be too hard. My sword isn't the best, but I'll do my best to win.
Come on, JJ, you're doing awesome. Just don't let them get too close and we'll win this.
Stage 2 isn't that hard either. I'm almost done. The last third is coming. I'll do everything I can to win.
야,
Here it is, stage 3. Come on, JJ, you can do it. Just a little more and we'll win.
This zombie game isn't that hard. That's good. It means we're safe for now. I'm so glad I made that sword. Without it, we wouldn't have survived.
Come on, JJ. The zombies are all in one spot. Use your splash attack to hit them all at once. Finish them off quickly.
Look, Mikey, the coins are already raining down on us. I'm almost done. Bye-bye, silly zombies. You couldn't stop me and my awesome iron sword. Whew, I did it. We won.
There's so much money here. This is incredible. Great job, JJ. You did amazing. The zombies can't scare us anymore, but we still need to get out of here.
Yeah, you're right, Mikey. We have to escape fast before the villager tries another trick on us.
Please, villager, leave us alone. Just let us get out of this computer.
No way, guys! You're not getting out that easily. I want to have some fun, and you're gonna make it happen for me.
Oh no! Mikey, he activated spikes. Ouch! Quick, get on the blocks. I can't believe this. Villager, how could you do this to us? We didn't even do anything.
I'm doing it just for fun. See how funny it looks watching you run and fight zombies on the screen. You two are hilarious.
I'm heading to the power button. If I can turn off the computer, we'll get back to the real world.
Come on, JJ. Do it fast before the villager comes up with something else. We can't let him keep messing with us.
Exactly. Great, I'm almost there. Just a little more. The spikes won't stop me. It's time to turn off the computer. We're going back now. I hope it works.
고친 사이클을
Completely shut down the computer and
비브리허스
blow us
드랙
up.
가로를
Finally,
가 의르부 드랙 있지. 그렇게.
Don't press the button. Please don't do it.
Don't listen to him, JJ. It's not his choice. He'll keep messing with us if we don't escape. Just do it. Hurry.
here's the button. That's it, villager. We're getting out, and you'll pay for trying to mess